Today we are gonna fix error 422 problem. Let's start. The first solution is clearing cache files and closing extensions. To do this, we open our browser. After opening our browser, we click on the three dots at the top right and then open settings. Once we have opened settings, we click on privacy and security, third-party cookies, and then see all site data and permissions. We click on the search bar and search for the site where we are having problems. After searching for it, click on the trash icon and then click on delete. We have cleared the cache files. Now, click on the extensions from the left and close the extensions. We closed our extensions. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is changing DNS. If our DNS causing issues, changing it will solve the problem. To change our DNS, we come to the search section and search for control panel. After opening control panel, we click on view network status and tasks. After that, we click on our connection and then click on properties. In the items list, we select IPv4 and then click on properties again. Here, we need to tick for the second option for DNS. Once we have done that, we set preferred DNS server to 8888 and alternate DNS server to 8844. This DNS belongs to Google and it is completely safe to use. To save the changes, we click on OK. We have changed our DNS. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is changing browser. Sometimes changing browser can solve such issues. As an alternative to Chrome, you can use Brave, Opera, or Firefox. After changing your browser, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. If you found this guide useful, then consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Take care and see you in the next video.